So in this video I will guide you on how you can get a free wallpaper engine like I have in my desktop right there. First, you have to open up your Microsoft Store by just searching for Microsoft Store, and then you can search for Lively Wallpaper. Search that and click enter and click on where I'm clicking there, Lively Wallpaper on the left. First one, and it should be made by Rock Danister. You can just click install on that and click open. And after you have opened it, this is your free wallpaper engine. You can also create your own live wallpaper. You can also use template that you can find from the internet, but currently I'm just using the default wallpaper that is available from the app itself. And yeah, so this is how you can get a free wallpaper engine without paying.